heartfelt welcome to Vivoterra, here and now. How can I strengthen my heart chi? We all have 7 chakras, and one of them is our heart chakra. So how to strengthen our heart chakra or our heart chi? Chi means the universal energy. So how to strengthen our heart chi? So we have a physical heart, and we have a metaphysical, so-called heart. Our spirit, our soul, our feelings, our heart chakra. Okay? So how to strengthen our heart, or how to strengthen my heart chakra? This comes naturally if you practice gratitude long enough. And when you use what you have learned to help other people, this is one part of to be grateful. And gratitude is the key to bliss. Thankfulness is the key to everything. And what I'm explaining since many years in all my videos and all my books, and to be thankful, to be grateful, to feel it, to be grateful, to be thankful is the most important thing in our entire life. So thankfulness is the key to everything. So you can live a life full of tears and also live a life full of happiness and gratefulness and thankfulness. Everyone is free to decide which path they choose. If you want to go through life in a healthy and upstanding manner, to be adaptable and live in harmony with nature, I recommend studying the laws of nature in real depth. A human is only as happy as he decides to be. Since it is incredibly beneficial to my health, I decided to be happy and thankful, because to be thankful is the key to everything. So gratitude is one of the most powerful energy sources and has a powerful force of attraction when it comes to our resonance field. When we share our gratitude, we encourage one another and strengthen our positive beliefs and inner balance. To be thankful is very, very healthy. And to be unthankful that's the key to be sick. So we can also inspire one another and together and open the doors to the source of strength, gratitude. So this is a natural law and applies to all people. The areas where we invest our attention becomes stronger, and we attract this actuality or create those areas for our actuality. Those who concentrate so intensely on their suffering invest their attention in this area and will experience, of course, precisely this suffering and be unhappy and ungrateful. However, if you invest your attention, your energy, and your feeling in the area of how beautiful and healthy life is, and I want to and will focus on it and feel gratitude for this opportunity as a gift. Yes, of course, 100%. You will experience precisely this actuality. Everything according to our beliefs. This is also a natural law. Thankfulness is the key to everything, and it's the most important thing in our life. All the best, remain in peace until the next here and now.